Okay,
stop
so
this car and have you get out.
stop. I'm vlogging.
Blogging what? No blogging your car.
So we're getting ready to. I want y'all to see this blue. But we are getting ready to go pick up my daughter from the train station. She went to Chicago. Okay, guys, so this is Kansas City, Kansas, Kansas City, Missouri, Union Station. This is where you get your train ticket and all that. My daughter didn't even tell me she was leaving, so I would have vlogged the beginning of it, but didn't know about it. Okay. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. Oh, you're good, sweetheart. Well, she's not in here. So clearly I knew she wasn't in there. I could tell by looking from the outside. I just wanted to get the visuals. I stride it and ride it. Did she call you? There's my baby. There's my baby. Okay, so I anticipated that. There's my baby. Oh, I missed you. Where are you going? Where are you going? She doesn't want to be embarrassed, y'all. She doesn't want to be embarrassed. But stop. Just want y'all to see how close he rides to the rim. This is why I'm nervous about his driving. I was gonna say, Tony, so that's why I turned the music down so you could pay attention.
Turning the music down? No, you stop putting that damn camera up.
This video is short because they refused to turn the radio down, so I had to just edit those parts out. So this is Kansas City, Missouri, for those who don't know. I'm gonna go to that restaurant. It's pretty out. So this is Southwest Boulevard. This is like a attraction to the city because it has a lot of good restaurants, a lot of gas stations, and the nightlife is really good when it's warm. I'm gonna go to an Ethiopian restaurant.
Down to see what they got.
You know what I'm saying?
She said, the way that you ran away, it's crazy. I'm on these bags and you over here trying to record me.
So Dr. Juanita Bynum said it best when she said marriage is ministry. And she goes on to say, if you're not ready to minister to the man of God, then don't mess him over. Don't mess with him. Because a lot of us are getting our advice from social media, and social media will tell you, honey, if he getting on your nerves and you getting on his, y'all need to just go y'all separate ways because, I can do bad all by myself. Misery loves company. They'll tell you that when it gets tough, the tough get going, but that's not the word of God. The word of God says that you are bone of his bone and flesh of his flesh. Sometimes you get on your own nerves. Sometimes you don't like to be alone with yourself. You don't like to be alone with your own thoughts. Well, that's how it is in marriage. But just like you can't separate yourself from your body, okay? You can't separate yourself from his body. And just like you still have to get up and feed yourself and take care of yourself and make sure that you all right from day to day, you got to get up and make sure that marriage is all right from day to day. That's where the commitment comes from. That's where, it's not love. It's not a fleeting word that, comes and goes. That's an emotion. But love is commitment and dedication that through the good times and the bad times. See, that's what a lot of people are leaving out nowadays. They leaving out in the good times and in the bad times, because there's going to be bad days. Don't if you loving him out of your love capacity, it's going to be limited. But if you love him out of the love of the Lord,